What if the end of our world comes not from within, but from an external cataclysmic event, a collision with a mysterious planet? Let's delve into the enigma of such cataclysmic events. In the vast expanse of space, there exists the potential for colossal collisions, capable of reshaping entire worlds. One such event is believed to have occurred approximately 4.5 billion years ago, right here in our own cosmic backyard. Our Earth, in its early formative years, is thought to have collided with Theia, a mysterious Mars-sized body. This wasn't a mere fender bender in the cosmos. It was a cataclysmic collision, a clash of celestial bodies with enough energy to reshape our planet and, as some scientists believe, give birth to our moon. The impact of this collision was so immense that it's believed to have completely merged Theia with Earth. However, recent research challenges this traditional belief. Advanced computer simulations suggest that fragments of Theia may not have fully integrated with Earth. Instead, these remnants might still exist, hidden deep within our planet, specifically at the core mantle boundary. The potential implications of this theory are profound. If remnants of Theia do reside within our Earth, they could account for the mysterious structures observed at this boundary. These alien fragments, hidden for billions of years, may hold the keys to understanding more about our Earth's formative years and the moon's creation. This is not just a tale of the past. It serves as a stark reminder of the potential for future cataclysmic events. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must remain aware of the potential for colossal collisions and the cataclysmic changes they can bring. The remnants of this ancient collision may still be hidden deep within our planet. And as we peel back the layers of our world, we may just uncover the secrets of this ancient cosmic event. Delve back in time to 4.5 billion years ago when an event of cosmic proportions occurred. Our young planet Earth was not alone in its cosmic neighborhood. It had a companion, a planet named Theia. As the two celestial bodies danced around the sun, they were drawn into a catastrophic collision. Imagine the sheer force of an entire planet colliding with another. It was a cataclysm of unimaginable scale. Picture this, a planet roughly the size of Mars, spiraling towards Earth, drawn in by our planet's gravitational pull. Theia, named after the Titaness mother of the moon in Greek mythology, crashed into Earth with such force that it not only reshaped our world but may have also given birth to our moon. Imagine the debris from this cosmic collision being flung into space, eventually coalescing to form the celestial body we now call the moon. It's a tale as old as time, etched in the very geology of our world. Now, let's delve deeper, quite literally. Scientists theorize that remnants of Theia might still exist deep within our planet, hidden at the mantle core boundary. It's a proposition that challenges traditional beliefs. We've always thought that Theia completely merged with Earth post-collision. However, advanced computer simulations suggest otherwise. They hint at the possibility that fragments of Theia could be responsible for mysterious structures at the core mantle boundary. Imagine, deep beneath our feet, trapped in the very heart of our world, could lie pieces of an alien world. These fragments, if they exist, could hold secrets about the early solar system and the violent processes that shaped our planet. They could potentially shed light on the moon's formation, a mystery that has puzzled scientists for centuries. This ancient collision, the cataclysm that shaped our world, could hold the key to understanding our planet's history and possibly its future. The remnants of Theia, if they indeed exist within Earth, might be the cosmic time capsules that unlock the secrets of our world's most cataclysmic event. As we continue to peer into the vast depths of space, let's not forget that some of the most intriguing mysteries may lie beneath our very feet. As we gaze upon the cosmos, we can't help but wonder, could another cataclysmic collision be in our future? Our universe is a vast, ever-expanding place, teeming with celestial bodies moving in a cosmic dance. And while this dance is often harmonious, there are times when it can lead to violent collisions. Theia, the alien planet that collided with Earth 4.5 billion years ago, is a stark reminder of the raw, unpredictable power of the cosmos. Today, remnants of Theia are believed to be buried deep within our planet, a testament to that ancient cataclysm. This theory challenges the traditional belief that Theia merged completely with Earth after the collision. It's a fascinating idea that raises an intriguing question. Could a similar event happen again? The possibility of another cataclysmic event, a collision with another mysterious planet, is a sobering thought. Such an event could have far-reaching consequences, altering our planet's trajectory and potentially causing widespread destruction. However, it's important to note that this is currently in the realm of speculation. While the universe is vast and unpredictable, the likelihood of such an event occurring is extremely low. Yet, the potential for such a cataclysm underscores the need for further research. We need to better understand our cosmic neighborhood and the forces at play within it. We need to delve deeper into the mysteries of the core mantle boundary and the alien world that might lie within. The cosmos remains a place of mystery and wonder, a vast expanse where anything can happen. In the face of potential cataclysmic events, the need for exploration and research has never been more pressing. As we stand on the precipice of the unknown, the cosmos beckons us to understand its mysteries. The upcoming years are filled with promise as space agencies across the globe prepare for groundbreaking missions and advancements in cosmic exploration. From NASA's plans to probe a metal-rich asteroid and return asteroid samples to Earth, to the European Space Agency's mission to Jupiter and its moons, each endeavor aims to unravel the enigma that is our universe. Commercial rocket companies like SpaceX, United Launch Alliance, and Blue Origin are also set to debut new launch vehicles, further expanding our reach into the cosmos. These explorations are not mere exercises in scientific curiosity. They are crucial endeavors aimed at preparing us for potential future cataclysmic events. By studying asteroids, for instance, we can gain insights into the composition of these celestial bodies, and perhaps even find ways to deflect or destroy one that might threaten our planet. Similarly, understanding the mysterious structures at our core mantle boundary, potentially remnants of the alien planet Theia, could shed light on our moon's formation and Earth's geological history. This knowledge could be invaluable in predicting and preparing for future cataclysms. The future may hold many mysteries, but with continued exploration and research, we stand a chance at understanding and potentially averting cataclysmic events.